We deliver all parts of Million Gym in 3 boxes safely to the customers who purchased Million Gym overseas. First, take out and check components from the boxes. For installation, first of all, place the connecting stand at the place to install the product. Stand the right frame on the right side of the connecting stand. Unfasten the nuts on the lower section of the frame and connect the bolts into the holes of the connecting stand. Tighten the bolts and nuts again. Connect the opposite frame in the same way. Before connecting the connecting stand, unfasten the other 2 bolts on the inner side just to the extent to have play. After fully unfastening the bolts, lift the connecting stand and insert the bolts with play on the inner side into the holes of the connecting stand. Tighten the unfastened bolts again. Before connecting the connecting stand, unfasten the bolts on the roll of bearings and the back of the frame. After unfastening the bolts, connect the connecting stand to the roll of bearings and fix the bolts. After unfastening the bolts on the frame, connect and fix the dipping bar. Before connecting the all-in-one bench, unfasten the bolts on the end of the bench. Stand the bench and connect to the frame and fix with the bolts. Tilt the chair completely backwards. Fasten all connected parts with a tool tightly. When tightening, tighten alternatively in the diagonal direction. Put weight blocks on both sides matching 60 kilograms or 90 kilograms. After putting weight blocks, attach the enclosed weight indication stickers. Lift the safety cover and insert into the holes on the lower section of the frame, and then fasten and fix the fixed lever on the upper section of the frame.